Good morning from the forest above Stara Zagora. There's the city, and behind the trees is the monument. This morning I'm going to go and check out town, and then this afternoon hopefully I'll reach the rose growing area of Bulgaria. I've had a request to do a bit of a vlog about who I am, where I came from, how I came to be here. I thought it would be a good format if you have a question for me and you could drop it in the comments. Then I'll answer questions that way, and that might make it easier for me than just reciting through my travel resume. What do you think? Drop me a comment, please. Found a lovely spot in Stara Zagora. I'm not motivated to leave here at all.
Sakam Edna Banica, mole?
Благодаря. I really like when the old wall is incorporated into the street. I'm not doing a very good job of leaving Stara Zagora. There's a string quartet playing in the plaza over here. I'm about to go and visit the town's mosque, but first I have my daily Burek. The sun's shining. Oh, I'll leave eventually. It seems I'm too early to find any roses in bloom, but I did find a tandem of Germans. Yeah! I finally made some bicycle touring friends. We met in Stara Zagora yesterday, and we just bumped into each other again today. And now we're going to go and find a place to camp. Car coming. A felicitous map reading accident led us to such a beautiful campsite. The farmer driving his cows through stopped for a chat. I wanted to know how many cows he had. He wanted to know how we charged our phones. This is the healthiest camping meal I've had in maybe forever. Thanks so much, guys.